Welcome to Highland Woods, Elgin's most affordable community with low-maintenance main-level living. Hi, I'm Rhonda, and I'm excited to introduce you to this premier clubhouse and pool community with included features and optional second stories. Let me show you around. Whether you're looking to downsize or upgrade your living space, there's something waiting for everyone here at Highland Woods. Our charming ranch homes offer luxurious main-level living with updated features. The best part? You get to pick the design and finishes that reflect your personal style. You'll love the convenience of the owner's suite on the first floor, complete with an ensuite bath and spacious walk-in closet. From the chef-inspired kitchen with large island that looks onto the dining room, to the spacious floor plans with 3 bedrooms and flex rooms, these homes offer the perfect space for entertaining. Need extra storage? We offer an optional second story, rear covered porch, and even have some basement home sites available. Fences are allowed here at Highland Woods, so your furry friend has a safe space to run around. Did I mention? Lawn care and snow removal are included at Highland Woods Ranch Homes. This means you spend more time doing the things you love, like enjoying the many community amenities. Take advantage of the clubhouse, pool, fitness center, basketball courts, and many scenic walking trails. Conveniently located off of Route 20, you'll be close to everyday shopping, dining, and conveniences along the Randall Road corridor, including Geneva and Algonquin Commons. We can't wait to welcome you home to Highland Woods Ranch Homes. Schedule your visit today and see why so many people have chosen to call this premier community home.